You've got your coffee and the newspaper. They've got clay fruits, a tray, and a wild imagination. Say hello to the Fundough Breakfast Set by Funskool, where kids cook, create, and serve up an entire morning feast. This playful set combines fundough and kitchen fun with bright colors and easy-to-use molds while shaping ideas, building skills, and letting their imagination take the lead. Inside, you'll find a breakfast set unit, 6 fundough tubs, 2 plates, 2 transparent cups, 2 sets of cutlery, 2 fundough knives. Roll out the dough and press it into molds to make fruit salads, croissants, biscuits, sandwiches, and smoothies. Use the cutters and tools to add all the little details, even whipped cream on top. Stack everything on the plate and breakfast is served. The perfect breakfast, playful, colourful, and totally their own. Perfect for mini chefs, creative minds, and hands-on playtime. Buy now. Funskool, true to kids always.